Anytime you make $852, prepare yourself to lose $952. Prepare yourself for that. This is, last week I started a new thread on AnyVid's site, earnforex.com, a new journal, and it was about in search of minimum wage. My whole goal here is to take an account, a live account, but it don't matter. It could be a demo. This just happens to be a live account. And try to make minimum wage. Here, its minimum wage is $7.25 an hour. Now, to make the numbers easy, what I did was I said, let's just take out taxes. So on an 8-hour day, if I take out taxes, but I might be bringing home $50. So, and that's an easy number. So my goal was $50 a day, $250 a week, $1,000 a month. On a $10,000 account, $1,000 is 10%. 10% a month is not going to be something probably easy to make, but that's what the numbers are. So how would you go about that? You could make 8 trades. Remember, focusing on $50 minimum wage. You could make 8 trades a day with a profit target of $7, and if they all won, you would have your $50 plus a little. Or you could make 4 $14 trades, and you would have your amount. Or you could take one mini lot and trade for 50 pips and make it. That's not my preference. And the reason is not because of the one mini lot. One mini lot on a $10,000 account, that's okay. It's the 50 pips a day. That's the issue. I'll show you what I mean about that in the next video. Last week, $852. Do not read anything into this. You're gonna start down the wrong road if you do. Keep your feet on the ground. 59 trades, no losers. Highest profit was $72. The average profit, which is important, is $14. 59 trades, so you can see, if you count Sunday, you could see I was making about 10 trades a day, something along that line. Let's see, and I think that's enough of that nonsense. Now, why am I opposed to one mini lot, 50 pips? Seems like it would be simple. This is what the next video is going to be about. Have you ever thought about, let's just take this bar for no reason other than this right there in the center. Have you ever thought about or wondered about how many pips above the open does a pair trade on every time frame? Every pair. How many pips below on average does that pair trade every day on average? If you do that and things were going up, it might help. And that's what the next video will be about. And I think that's